Hello, it's High Tech All. You are watching Top 5 Best Digital Alarm Clock. More info on the products, we've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Before we get started, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Number 5. JSQ Digital Alarm Clock. Bluetooth version, Dual Mode Bluetooth 4.2. Transmission distance, 10 meter. Frequency response range, 100 Hz to 18 kHz. Speaker specifications, 40 mm magnetic 4Q. Speaker power, 5W. Number 4. Xixidian Digital Alarm Clock. Custom alarm ringtone, timed shutdown, wake-up light function. At work, during yoga, when reading, when sleeping, when breastfeeding at night, you can set mode as needed. Number 3. Huixinlian Digital Alarm Clock. High visibility 3.2 large LCD screen during the day and in the evening. Adjustable dimmer allows you to adjust the brightness of 3 levels with a button tap. The lower brightness level will deactivate the light. Number 2. NCRD Digital Alarm Clock. Color, black. Material, plastic. Power, 5W. Battery capacity, 1200 mAh, built-in battery. Bluetooth version, V4.2. Frequency, 2.402 to 2.480 GHz. Number 1. Naxa NRC 170 Digital Alarm Clock. 0.6-inch LED display. AM/FM radio. 10 AM, 10 fathoms radio station presets. Dual alarm function. Wakes user up to radio or alarm. Snooze and sleep functions. UL, ETL approved AC adapter.